Rub only 2 drops on your gums and teeth, and you will never go to a dentist again. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. Today's video, I will inform you how just by applying 2 drops you can prevent cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, and tooth decay. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information. And without any more wait, let's start. Essential oils have been used in oral health. According to a recent study, essential oils have a lot to offer. They are effective, safe, and beneficial for both teeth and gums by maintaining the balance of oral flora. Essential oils work as reliable and even better choice to antiseptic formulas. According to the Journal of International Oral Health, essential oils can inhibit plaque, remove stains, eliminate that bacteria, and keep teeth and gums healthy. So, 2 of the most powerful essential oils are tea tree oil and clove oil. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which has been used in dentistry for its analgesic and anesthetic properties. This compound shows a pharmacological effect on all bodily functions. Eugenol is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, in addition to anesthetic activity. Tea tree oil, due to its powerful antifungal, antiviral, antiprotozoal, and antibacterial properties. Tea tree oil reduces bacteria, yeast, and fungal infections, and effectively treats viral infections like cold sores. In addition, it eases the symptoms of gingivitis and dental stomatitis. Now that you know how effectively beneficial these 2 essential oils are for the oral health, I will now tell you how to use them with a simple and effective method, which should be a part of your daily routine. Method: 2 drops of tea tree oil or 2 drops of clove oil. Add 2 drops of these oils on your gums or teeth every day. Then let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing. Use it twice a day. Using this solution will keep your oral health and prevent cavities, gingivitis, bad breath, and tooth decay. Finally, I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.